Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo, and today I have an exciting new arrival to show you. This is a 2025 Yamaha Boats 255 FSH H. This is their center console variant, and it is the top of the line model in the Fish series. This boat is in the blue color and comes on this aluminum I-beam trailer with a swing tongue. Really lightweight trailer, but also very strong, and the swing tongue allows you to fit it in an oversized garage. As we walk towards the back of the boat, one of the hallmark features on these Yamaha jet boats is the entertainment space back here on the transom. You'll see just how wide it is. You've got backrests up here. You've got the ability to put in your Yamaha pedestals here. And you've also got a 4-step telescoping ladder here at the center to get on and off the boat. Let's go ahead and hop aboard and check out some of the interior features. With this being the Fish model, it's focused on fishing, but you don't lack any creature comforts. I already mentioned the seating here on the transom. You've got plenty of seating throughout the boat. Fishing-wise, this boat is loaded up. You've got 4 rod holders, 2 on port and 2 on starboard back here. You've also got 2 in these cup holders on the transom. You've got 5 rocket launchers on your fiberglass hardtop, as well as speakers, lighting in here. Stepping further into the boat, with this being a 255, we have the snap-in flooring. Really comfortable on your feet, and you can pull it out and wash it out super easily. The helm is a great place to be on this boat. You've got your electronic throttles, as well as your Helm master control. As part of that E package, you're also gonna have electronic start and your Simrad technology here. You've got every option electronics-wise on this boat from the factory, so you're ready to go out and get fishing. Also got bolstered seats, both port and starboard, very comfortable, and a footrest that pops out or stows away when you don't need it. Got a glove box down here and some USB charging ports for your items. Coming forward even further, we've got way more rod holders on this boat. We've got 8 total between each side in the gunnel. You can lay horizontally, and we've got 6 on the hard top on either side, 3 and 3. And they go through your hardtop nice and even here. Coming all the way towards the bow, it's another great entertainment zone, but when you're ready to fish, another great fishing zone. You've got tackle storage in here, you've got a dedicated trash receptacle, as well as storage for some of your aerator items for your live well. On the subject of the live well, this boat has 2 live wells aboard. You've got another one here on your port side, so no longer have to run all the way to the back of the boat to get your bait. In addition to that, all Yamaha Fish series models are going to have a really nice changing room in here. It can double as storage. You've got this curtain in here. You can pull it out of the way, unzip it, and store some items in there. On the subject of storage, we have a nice center locker up here at the bow. You can put some items in here. There is space for a 5-gallon bucket. You've also got storage under your seats throughout the boat. Up here at the bow, we've got our cushions installed right now. These can very easily be removed to turn this into a nice casting platform. Got a good step up here, and under this hatch, access to your dedicated anchor storage on this boat. In addition to that, we've got even more rod holders up here at the bow. If you like this boat and want to check it out in person, stop by our showroom in Cornelius, check us out at MarineMax.com, or give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.